Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today I'm excited to share with you what I believe is the best ornament crafting kit for this holiday season. The Ecoofor 8-pack DIY Christmas Ornaments Craft Kit. This kit offers everything you need to bring a festive, handmade touch to your holiday decor. Inside the box you get 8 bamboo hoops, 8 plaid pattern fabrics, a generous supply of berries. Both large and small, pine cones, pine sprigs, mistletoe, bow knots, resin ornaments, heat transfer vinyl sheets, and twine. With these materials you can create 8 unique, beautiful ornaments. Perfect for hanging on your Christmas tree or decorating your home. What makes this kit stand out is the mix of high quality and versatile materials. The plaid fabric is durable and feels premium. The natural elements like pine cones and sprigs give a rustic festive look. The vinyl sheets and resin ornaments add a modern, polished finish. Whether you prefer a classic, cozy Christmas vibe or a contemporary holiday aesthetic, you have all the pieces to combine and customize to your liking. Another advantage is how the kit invites creativity. You are not just assembling pre-made decorations, but designing and putting together ornaments that reflect your personal style. That means you can mix and match the included berries, bows, mistletoe and vinyl to create decorations that are truly your own. Also, this kit is suitable for both adults and older kids. It's easy enough that a crafty beginner can have fun with it, but flexible enough for someone more experienced to get creative. Gathering around with family or friends and crafting these ornaments can become a memorable holiday activity. If you're looking for an affordable yet complete craft kit that lets you design Christmas ornaments from scratch, whether for yourself, your home, or as gifts, this Ecoofor DIY kit is a strong pick. It delivers a satisfying mix of materials, creative flexibility, and festive charm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this overview and want me to review more DIY craft kits, wooden ones, felt-based, or even resin art kits, let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy crafting and happy holidays.